Hey y'all. So today I'm just gonna do a little get ready with me video, kind of, just talk, put my makeup on. Really, my hair's done already. I'm throwing my friend a birthday kickback tonight, so it's been a long week with school, a lot of tests, a lot of snow days. So now I'm just getting ready to unwind for the week, have some fun, and get ready for next week. Next week's gonna be hectic, so it never ends in chiropractic school, but have fun when you can, right? So I'm just gonna do my makeup, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm not the best at makeup. That's my cousin's department, but I'm gonna try my best to do a little something. I'm really decent, the hard part is just putting on eyeliner, y'all. That's my struggle. I struggle with putting on eyeliner. It's the hardest thing for me to do, especially if I'm trying to wing it. Oh yeah, I have to take it off and put it back on a million times, but it's all good. So I'm gonna just start with my eyebrows. If y'all have any tips to help me with this struggle, it would be greatly appreciated. More control. I did too much, y'all. Oops. I think this is as good as it's gonna get. And I'm just sisters, not friends. Okay, we're done. I really should have just got my eyebrows done, because that's when they're the easiest to do. Right now, they're struggling.
Where you at?
Y'all, I also don't do eyeshadow, so this is gonna be the quickest get ready with me video. If I can, of course, get eyeliner right. But it might cooperate with me. I can do eyeshadow. I really just don't be having the patience to be blending and picking the right color scheme. I also don't contour. I actually just don't even know how to contour. Whenever I need like a face beat, I go to my cousin or one of my best friends. I think I covered all the bases. Oh, look, I'm breaking out. School got me stressing. I only have 11 more weeks of school, and then it's my part 1 summer break, I guess. It's in April, so I'm being in school. I mean, it's only a 2-week break, but I look forward to those breaks in school, because 15 weeks is it's a lot. It's a lot, y'all. 15 weeks of being in class for 10 hours a day. Oof. Be stressed. Don't be having time to watch Netflix. Don't be having time to be caught up on my shows. here goes the hard part, y'all. Don't judge me. I'm really trying here. That was faster than I thought. Boom. I'm doing that much now. Y'all, my camera died, so I went ahead and got dressed while I put it on the charger, so I could get a little bit of juice in it. So I'm dressed. Y'all want to see my fit? It only took like I only changed my shirt one time, y'all. It wasn't too bad. It took like 5 minutes. But I know what y'all thinking. It's cold outside. But it's a kickback I'm throwing inside my house, so I'm not going outside. So, problem solved. I can dress how I want to. Okay, let me finish this because I know my camera's gonna die again soon. But maybe I can beat it, you know? My concealer in. I really did that all backwards, y'all. I ain't put no blush on. Welcome to my life. It's really whatever, y'all. It's whatever. Didn't much. Now let me put my matte finish powder. My skin
Where you at?
gets really oily sometimes, and this helps keep my oiliness at bay for a little while. Everything. Only thing I haven't done is put my mascara on. So I'm gonna do that. What y'all think I should do? A color or some lip gloss? I think I'm feeling lip gloss, so that's what we finna do. You know, you just throw lip gloss, undefeated. Y'all, I got it on my nose. I am horrible at this. So y'all, when I do this beat and I want to put some lashes on, y'all don't want to see me put lashes on. It literally takes forever, like forever. I'm not even gonna struggle with it tonight, cause sis, it's not that serious. Do some touch ups. Got a little spots on that. But for the most part, y'all, I am done. Alright, finishing touch. My beautiful lip gloss. I already got some Vaseline on my lips, so usually I put chapstick, but Vaseline works just fine. Juicy. I'll be putting on lip gloss acting like I don't have the biggest lips on earth. But guess what? Who don't care? Me. Let's take these clips. Ooh, that was ouchy. Hungry, my stomach over here growling. Let's order me a pizza. Almost caught a Charlie horse, y'all. Started working out. Well, I started like 2 weeks ago, but I worked out yesterday, and I'm a little bit sore today. Muscle just cramped up on me. I am finished. I'm about to go take a couple shots, get ready for the night. Thank you guys so much for joining me in my get ready routine. I'm a goof, I know, sorry. Not really, but yeah. If you guys want to see how I achieve this wash and go look, click on the link in one of these corners, whichever one it's going to be in. Just click on the link and you'll see it was my wetline wash and go routine. Yeah, so I'm done. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, I just ask that you please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our page for more content like it. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time. Oh wait, let me give y'all